Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start page numbering from specific page in Google Docs. So first of all, choose where you want your page numbers to go and start. So first, I've got a welcome page, then a content, and then the content actually starts. So I want the page numbers to start on this page here. So what I'm going to do is place the cursor right at the top of this page, and then I'm going to go and press on insert. And you want to go down to break, click on section, break, next page, just like so. And if it goes and makes a new page, that's fine. Just press the back button like so. Next, click on insert again, and you want to go down to page numbers, and then just go and click on the layout you want. I'll just use this one here. As you can see, they're now appearing in the top. Now go to the page where you want the page number to start. For me, it's this one, and tick link to previous, just like so, and then it will go and disappear. But go and click on option and click on page numbers, and then what you want to do is make sure startup one is selected and go and click on apply, just like so. And there we go, it's now one here, and we've then got two there. But then if we go and scroll up, as you can see, the first two pages still do have page numbers. So then what you can do is simply go and delete them. So click on it and press the back button, and it will go and do it for the first one as well. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.